Nation and those new to AMP. I am JoJo. In this channel, we're focused on that Empire state of mind and dropping knowledge and insight on what AMP is, where it's going, and any info about AMP and Flexa Network. Welcome to the Empire.
Yeah, pull up your cam, Empire, give him that jam.
If you're looking to invest in crypto or making your portfolio more diverse, AMP is an altcoin you may have to consider. Even though it only launched in September 2020, it has already gotten quite a lot of attraction from investors. AMP has been quite a healthy rise in its value this year and has become one of the major topics of cryptocurrencies everywhere on social media. May it be Twitter, Discord, or Reddit, everyone is discussing AMP. And it makes sense. The token is worth the hype. It's actually number one in the list of top 5 cryptocurrencies to invest in according to Reddit. And right now, AMP is one of the very safe investment in my opinion. But let's look at the facts, shall we? In this video, we'll talk about my research information as to why AMP token is one of the best crypto investments right now. But before we start, if you're new to the Empire, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Be part of the AMP Token Nation by following me on my TikTok, Patreon, and Twitter. The links are down below in the description. Check them out. One thing I want to warn you before we start is that this is not financial advice. If you're looking to invest in a particular coin or any cryptocurrency, it's highly recommended you do your own research thoroughly. This video is just for information and enjoyment purposes only. So sit back, relax, and get ready to stack and stake some knowledge. Let's amp up. We'll talk about why AMP is a great investment in my opinion, but first and foremost, let's talk about why a person would even want to invest in crypto. With crypto such as Bitcoin first got popular several years ago, people speculated that it's not safe, and considering it's all digital, some people out there thought there was a chance of hacking. Thanks to blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies have evolved. I believe the majority of people are educating themselves about crypto even more thanks to social media, YouTube, and Google. Furthermore, to store your cryptocurrencies in a mobile wallet are completely safe of any chance of hacking. It's pretty much insignificant unless you give someone your seed phrase. Speaking of how much crypto has evolved, in my opinion, chances are very high that digital currency is here to stay. More corporations are investing in cryptocurrencies and crypto projects. Additionally, we have learned that from the pandemic, using touchless payments were convenient and safe. Cryptocurrency is described as a transformative technology that could bring about a huge revolution for numerous industries. Every day, we can see more and more growth in the crypto industry. And if the growth keeps up with this trend, it's safe to say that cryptocurrency is the future. Even though investors often debate about the potential of crypto, one thing's for certain. With digital payments, cryptocurrency is here to stay. In my opinion, that's the main reason investing in crypto may be a good idea. All these cryptocurrencies and crypto projects are going to get very popular in the future. So now is the time to look into investing as an option because it is affordable right now and before they become way too valuable in the future. Another perk in crypto is that you manage all your money yourself. If you were to keep it saved in central banks instead, the value of the money reduces over time due to inflation. The great thing about cryptocurrency is there are no central bank involved, but that's not all. In my opinion, crypto is also probably the most secure way of keeping your money safe right now. Thanks to blockchain technology, like I mentioned before, the possibility of identity theft and someone stealing your information and your money is negligible. Impossible. Also, the fact that sometimes the prices may suffer due to a crash, such as the market crash or the pandemic, like a Black Swan event on March 13, 2020. But there's a huge chance that the value of crypto, in my opinion, will increase significantly. So for long-term investment, cryptocurrency may just be your best option. Now, the question is, why invest in crypto called AMP token? What's so special about it? As an investor, what benefits would you get out of it? AMP is a cryptocurrency that makes use of Ethereum's blockchain to make transactions and payments on the Flexa network. And if you don't know what the Flexa network is, it's a fintech company that is also the leading platform for pure and completely secure digital payments all around the world. Not only is Flexa fast and completely fraud-proof, but is also accessible for everyone all around the world. Before AMP, Flexa made use of AMP's predecessor, the FlexiCoin. However, the downside of FlexiCoin was that it could only be used on the Flexa network. The basic objective of AMP was so that it could also be used in other projects outside of the Flexa network. Also, the launch of AMP reduces the cost of interchange in the payment transactions considerably. Even though it's mostly known to be used in the Flexa network, AMP token is available on crypto exchanges like Coinbase. Ever since that happened, AMP has seen a lot of growth. On the Flexa network, the AMP token is used as collateral. So in case a payment on the network takes too long or ends up not going through, the AMP token would be liquidated to cover the cost. AMP collateralization is completely available for free for anyone to use. That makes it very easy to build apps that can easily lock and unlock app on demand for secure transfers. Also, the collateralization is completely tested and audited. Also, the AMP token has a fixed supply. You might be wondering, what's that a benefit? Well, the main issue with most cryptocurrencies these days is the high volatility. The prices go way too high or way too low within a short period, which means that when a new project makes use of AMP, the already existing AMP implementations also benefit from the decentralization and the increased liquidity. So thanks to the fixed supply, that reduces volatility. Not only does that reduce volatility, but it also reduces inflation and enhances collateral quality significantly. Another benefit of AMP is the fact that it's very extensible and completely open source. AMP token was designed in a way so it could be as flexible as possible. It's great because its open source license gives app projects the opportunity to interface with AMP on their own terms. App projects can create and use custom collateral managers for their app projects, and they can interface according to their exact requirements. Last but not least, AMP is asset agnostic. That means with AMP, it doesn't matter what form of asset you have or what consensus mechanism is used. AMP can be used as collateral to increase the security of any payment, whether digital or physical. Before we talk about the price predictions by analysts from my research, let us first look at the platforms where you can buy the AMP token. Like I mentioned before, it recently got available on Coinbase, so that's one platform. And Coinbase is great because you get to learn about this collateral token while earning the token at the same time. But there are other platforms to invest in AMP token as well. There's Bitmart, Gemini, Bittrex, Polynex as well, and newly announced Binance.us. The main platforms that made the token gain so much growth were Coinbase and Bitmart. But every exchange has its own perks, just like Gemini. On Gemini, if you invest in AMP or any other cryptocurrencies, Gemini's program has cryptocurrencies you can earn up to 7.4% annual interest on your deposit. Also, Flexa Network collaborates with Gemini. And in fact, Gemini was the first platform that started trading the AMP token. Finally, let's look at the current price and the future price of predictions of the AMP token. Currently is trading at only 7 cents during this recording with a market cap of over $2.5 billion. As much as the superb technology of what AMP token can do, a popular question with my subscribers that I'm willing to entertain and people out there wanting to know. I understand the curiosity, and let's face it, people want to know where the potential of their investments might go. Let's look at the future predictions on how high analysts and investors think the price of AMP token can actually go. An article I researched about a Reddit poll asking investors where they think the AMP token could go till the end of the year. Out of all the voters, almost 45% thought it could go up to $1 or more by the end of 2021. But let's see, is it actually possible to reach that goal? In my opinion, I don't think that can happen by the end of 2021. Why? Because AMP token was rolled out in September 2020. And most importantly, the integrations of partnerships with Flexa have not rolled out yet to its full potential. I do think the possibility of happening of AMP to a dollar may be later on in the future. Let's back that up with some research. The all-time high of AMP token was almost 12 cents. That was back in the past June. Soon after, it was listed on Coinbase, and it only happened for a short period before the crypto market tumbled down in red, making AMP token under 4 cents. After that, it was managed to go back to 7 cents with a slow and steady growth. It seems this AMP token is pretty resilient, which definitely shows potential. Let's look at some notable crypto analysts think. First, Wallet Investor, they have some high hopes for AMP. They think in just a year, AMP will reach a new all-time high. By 2022, they're predicting the price will go up to 14 cents or even more. Secondly, Coin Price Forecast, they also think the same, but their hopes are even higher. They think the 14 cents milestone can be achieved till the end of this year. It's only July at this current recording. So there is a high chance this prediction may be true. Thirdly, Digital Coin. They also see potential in AMP and think there's a chance it will go back to its all-time high of almost 12 cents within the next year. But they think the price would be just over 7 cents. Just today, at the time of this recording, AMP token has seen an increase of over 13%. There is a definite potential for this cryptocurrency. That's a fact, but maybe you won't see its potential in the short term. So, what about that $1 milestone? Let me preface in saying that the cryptocurrency Cardano, also known as ADA, took almost 4 years to reach the $1 mark. Just like any projects in crypto, it takes time and adoption. Patience is key. With that said, it probably won't happen anytime soon. I mean, we're just at 7 cents right now at the time of this recording, but analysts and most investors seem to think that goal could be reached by the next bull run in the year 2025 or maximum 2030. Some people believe that the $1 goal can even be reached for AMP. I and many others disagree with this. If the rate of growth stays like it is right now, in my opinion, nothing can stop AMP for reaching $1 or even up to $10 in the very long run in the future. Now let's talk about how AMP token is an investment. Some people have an opinion that investing in AMP because of the slow and steady growth, but with any cryptocurrency, any investments, there are always risks. However, you've seen all the price prediction that's out there, Flexa with the native token AMP, the growth partnerships and integrations are quite impressive. Obviously, no one can know for sure, but in my opinion, the future of AMP looks very optimistic. There are huge chances that in the future, the potential for AMP to grow is very high due to Sitcon, RS, in-com payments, NCR, Shopify, Coinstar, and Clover integrations and partnerships, to name a few. It seems, from what I gathered, pretty much everyone is very hopeful about AMP, and I think that completely makes sense considering the revolution it has brought and the recognition it is getting every day. In my opinion, because of the adoption, the integrations, and partnerships, AMP token may be a great investment, and I don't mean a short-term investment, but a long-term one. Right now, it's only about 7 cents at the time of the recording, but in the long term, there are chances of reaching it as high as $1. That's a possibility. That's literally a 1,400% profit. Yes, 1,400%. The chances of growth are huge, so will be in the future, and so will be the profits. For a long-term investment and a diverse portfolio, in my opinion, the AMP token is totally an altcoin to look and invest in. But obviously, before any investment, I would suggest you contact a financial advisor who can advise you according to your needs and current status. When I make these videos with the information, I mean it completely generalized. A financial advisor can advise you completely according to you and before any investment. That's highly recommended. Well, that's it for today's video, AMP Nation. If you want to access to these PowerPoint slides, I will be posting them on my Patreon, so follow me there. The link is in the description below. Big shout out to my first and only Patreon. Hey, Heath Keith Lawrence. We are all George. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to reply to them and answer them the next questions in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Your support is appreciated greatly, and it will let me make more informative videos like this one. Stay tuned for more videos about everything worth knowing about Flexa and AMP token. And I'll see you next time. Till then, have a great day.
Yeah, pull up your cam, Empire give him that chance. Better change up your plans. Crypto, it's time for the amp, time for the amp. Yeah, pull up your cam, Empire give him that chance. Better change up your plans. Crypto, it's time for the amp, time for the amp. Yeah, pull up your cam.